From ordinary onions, the cheapest food in the kitchen, I make an ingredient that changes the taste of every dish. I will cut a kilogram of cleaned onions into slices. This is an ordinary onion, the cheapest food item in the kitchen, and when it is prepared like this, it becomes gold. I cut the onion, and I'm going to pour olive oil into the pan. I'll wait for the oil to heat up. I put the onion on the heated oil and I will stew it for 20 minutes until it softens. Write me in the comments, from which country are you watching me? It's nice to know that we are watching each other all over the world. The onion has softened, and I'm going to put it in the blender. I'll add a teaspoon of salt. Salt keeps the paste from spoiling and stabilizes it. I add some pepper. I add a teaspoon of vinegar, 9%. Not for taste, but to make the paste last longer. I'll blend it. I need a jar to put the paste in. Onion paste is added to beans, meat, sauce, soup. Wherever onions go, this onion paste goes. You can also use onion paste as a spread on bread. Once you do this, you don't go back to chopping onions every day. Keep the onion paste in the refrigerator. If you like the recipe, leave me a heart in the comment and a like. Thank you, dear friends.